Welcome to Grumpy John's Garage. Today is just a quick one. I thought I'd show you a wee purchase I bought off eBay, and you might find quite interesting, so I'll get you around beside me and we can look at it. I'll put my tea over. As you can see here, I've got a nice big book, A4 size. It's a TM10 maintenance manual for the Willys. Fantastic book. So clear. And the other one I bought was the master parts for the Willys and the trailer. Although I don't have a trailer, I'll just get the Willys. And then another one that the boy was selling at the same time is parts listings. So I just got that as well. But this is a TM10. The usual ones you usually have is a TM9, M2. But what I was finding with them is, if you're looking at a exploded view, we'll go to the rear diff. You can see there. Then you read through how to do it. And then this one here is just part of that. That's in that one as well, but I bought them both. But if you go to this one, see now, if you go to the rear axle on this one, massive, so clear, it's fantastic. And I got them off eBay because they're perfect condition. Perfect condition. I got them for about, I think they were £12 each. That's got a £20 on it. £12 each, I'm happy with it. Just see how clear it is. This one's a parts listing. Whether I'll ever use it, I don't know. But it gives you everything. And it also tells you if it's an MB, an MA, or a trailer. So some of the parts are interchangeable. As you can see there, that's the tail lights. MA, MB, MBT, that's the trailer. So all these lights, and you can do other bits and pieces. MA and MB. And then again, this is just probably another parts listing. Yeah. Cool. I like my books. I like having a book. I've actually got two of these. This is one that's in good condition. The other one's is full of mucky fingerprints. But I'm looking forward to using this other one so that I can see better. My eyes were fine when I first got the Jeep 9 years ago. They're starting to get a wee bit of, I need my reading glasses on and stuff like that. That was just a short one just to show you my new books that I got. And I've got a wiring loom kit. I might dig that out and show you what you get in the pack, what it comes with. And I can't do a review because I haven't fitted it, and I can't try it until I get my body on and I get all the electrics done. So I'll show you what you get in the pack anyway, and once I'm fitting it, I'll be doing a video of me fitting it. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching this wee short one, and I'll catch you in the next one.